God dang it. This is what a patch that we pulled out, and this is what it looks like. Bring it back over here, son. This is the piece that we pulled out. That's the hole that we cut out. You can see we've cut out all these holes up here on this deck. Right here. These are the patches that we're patching in. And you can see that even after no rain for a while, these were still holding a little bit of water underneath them. Anyway, hold on here. Here's where some water's squishing out. You can see that the water's just pouring out of it. So this is where the water gets trapped under the deck, even after we've coated. All right, so then we'll continue to patch these and go from there.